Selamat di Medan. Good, great, spektakuler.
Berdiri.
Because Allah has our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for his family and for his friends and for his followers. Your honorable teacher, ladies and gentlemen, in this speech I will tell you about my speech with theme challenge of education before and after independence. Ladies and gentlemen, we have studied history about when did the Dutch colonize the Indonesia, namely in 1595, that in considering the Indonesia was colonized by the Dutch for 315 years. And that historical was wrong. In fact, according to Dr. Sri Margana, the Indonesia archipelago was colonized by the Dutch for more than 100 years, and starting at 1900 years. When the PLCs was declared bankrupt and taken over by the Dutch government. When the PLCs is founded in 1602 until 1800, in that period, that's another period of colonialism, but the capitalism, because the PLC's power is carried out of trade. So it's not being counted that feels as a whole, because the Aceh was occupied in 1901. During 100 years in colonization, how did Indonesia develop in education? Reporting from the source www.masa.biz.id, starting at 19th century, the Dutch opened several schools for Dutch people and the native, and were preparing a workforce to help the big influence in that. The big influence on education at that time was the elimination of cultural tradition and cultural traditions. So the conclusion is we must maintain the traditional culture and custom despite the development of the times. This is for me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.